Welcome back to Social Science class. Rivers of India. There are many river systems in India. The rivers of North India. The major river systems of North India are the Indus, the Ganga, the Brahmaputra and the tributaries. Most of them rise in the Himalayan mountains. They are perennial rivers. The rivers of South India. These rivers can be divided into the east flowing and the west flowing rivers. The important east flowing rivers are the Mahanadi, the Godavari, the Krishna, the Kaveri, the Palar and the Pennar. The important west flowing rivers are the Narmada, the Tapti, the Sharavati, the Kali, the Netravati. The climate of India can be divided into 4 distinct seasons. Now see here. See this picture or see here seasons and duration. Winter in December, January and February. Summer, March, April, May. South-west monsoon, rainy season, June, July, August, September. Retreating monsoon, October and November. These are the 4 distinct seasons. Wind. What is wind? The movement of air over the earth's surface from high pressure area to low pressure area is called wind. So, the winds which change their direction from one season to another are known as seasonal winds. For example, monsoon winds. India has its own plant and animal resources. There are thick monsoon forests, grasslands, thorny bushes, scrubs, evergreen forest and mangrove forest. The deciduous forests are largely found in India. They are known as monsoon forests. There are animal and bird sanctuaries where elephants, tigers, lions, cheetah, deer, peacock, etc. and various birds are found. There are major natural resources of India. The forest areas in Malnad or Sahyadris, Nagarhole, Bandipura and Bhadra, the main natural resource of Karnataka. Do you know the names of any 3 protected forest area in India? First one, evergreen forest. Second, mangrove forest. Third, deciduous forest. Students, do you know the highest peak in India? Mount Godwin. Mount Godwin Austen is the highest peak in India. You have learnt that the factors of environment and climate have an effect on art and architecture. There are big and beautiful palaces built by experts which are the best example of rare architecture in the desert. Jaipur, Ajmer, Pushkar and Mount Abu are places famous for such architecture in Rajasthan. After studying this lesson, you understand the physical map of India. Know about the Himalayan mountains, plateaus, plains, coastal plains, river basins, and desert. Understand how the factors of natural environment influence the life of the people. What is natural environment? The term natural environment refers to the non-human made surroundings and conditions in which all living and non-living things exist on earth. What is weather? Weather is the state of the atmosphere describing, for example, the degree to which it is hot or cold, wet or dry, calm or stormy, clear or cloudy. What is climate? Climate is the average weather in a given area over a longer period of time. Climate includes information on, example, the average temperature in different seasons, rainfall and sunshine. Know about the different types of plants and animals of India.